Alright, what is up my crew? Orange Guy here. Today's video is going to be a little different today. We're actually going to take this outside. Alright guys, I'm back and I'm just sitting here on a tree out in nature. Yeah, so I just want to spend this time and just talk about the beauty of God's creation, us, and nature. I mean, when life gets stressful, the world comes crashing down on you, problems come crashing down on you. Sometimes you just need to go outside, walk, sit down, and just reflect on nature, God's word, prayer. Reflect in any way God would want you to, and just relax. Because I notice as I'm doing this right now, I'm just sitting here in nature, I feel calm and peace, and all the problems, just go away. Not permanently, but just for a moment. All the problems in life just go away just by sitting here and enjoying nature. And it's amazing. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. As a kid, I never understood why old people would just sit on their porch and just stare outside at the woods and stuff. Like, come on guys, I got better things to do. I won't be playing my video games and eating junk food and whatever. But now I get it. I still play my video games, but I understand why they do it now. Because it's just something about going outside and looking at nature. It's just beautiful. And I get it now. I get it now. I'm only 18, but I get it. And I'm just gonna sit in here in silence for a minute, and I want y'all to just listen and just tell me what you hear, just for a second. You hear it? Peace. No cars, no arguing, no yelling, no guns, no chaos. Just me, God, and nature, chilling. It's nice. I think I gotta start doing this more often, because this is really nice. And I would definitely highly recommend y'all try this someday, because this is just like sit on your porch. Even I'm sitting on a tree. You don't have to sit on a tree, but go outside, sit down, walk, take a walk outside, or just even look at it from your window or something, and just reflect on it, and just look how beautiful God's creation is. And I was going to talk about how beautiful we are, because we are God's creation too. He made us in His image. And I think this is cool, how He used just dirt, dust, and just formed us, But yeah, He formed us through that. And it's just, you can hear the trees whistling, rustling, birds chirping. It's nice. It's nice to just sit outside. Look at it. Look at that. That leaf almost just hit me in the head there. But yeah, I know this isn't the video y'all are expecting. And if you're new here, welcome guys. I'm the orange guy. But yeah. It's very relaxing, it's very peaceful. And I would highly, highly recommend you try it. At least just one time. And it's amazing what God can do with your life when you surrender to Him. It's amazing. But yeah, me, God, and nature. So, yeah. I'm going to end the video off here because I don't know what else to say. I'm just going to be sitting here for a minute and just taking it all in. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.